get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair because I
Hi you all, I'm back with another highly requested haul video for you guys. Now my first video to cross 1 lakh views was the Myntra under 1000 dresses haul, and this is going to be a little walk down the memory lane, and it's going to be a similar video. All the dresses in this video are under 1000 and are bought on Myntra. Let's hope this video reaches a lot more than 1 lakh views this time. I'll be talking about the fabric, their quality, the fitting, and all of that in detail of each dress so you can pick out which is the perfect one for yourself. Before I get into the video, if you like my content, please do consider subscribing because it'll mean a lot to me and it will motivate me to create more content for you guys. So let's jump right into the dresses now. So you guys know this, and I've also mentioned this in my earlier videos, that I'm always looking for ways to get more and more discount on my online shopping, and I love sharing those tips and tricks with you guys so that you can also have an affordable shopping experience, which is how I actually ended up coming across Letty Shops. All these dresses that I bought were already on sale on Myntra, but when I bought them via Letty Shops, I got even more discount on these. And not just Myntra, Letty Shops has 2000 other retailers as well, like Ajio, Mama Earth, they have Zivame, and like 2000 more that you can shop from. And sometimes when these retailers don't have sales on their website, Letty Shops has their own sales sometimes. So, you can take advantage of those discounts as well. Now, let's get right into the dresses because I'm super excited to show them to you guys. Now, the first dress that I got is a halter dress. I've seen this so many times on Myntra, but I finally picked it up because the discount was so great. This is actually a halter dress, and it is also layered and an A-line fitting. So you will have to wear a strapless bra with this. If you want to know what I'm talking about exactly, I've done 2 lingerie videos on my channel, so I'm going to mention the links down below. So you should go check that out to understand what bra should be worn with what dress. The fabric is polyester, but it feels very comfortable. The MRP for this was 1599, but I got it only for 750 rupees. Overall, I think it's a really trendy and chic dress and is perfect for your brunches and even night outs as well. The second dress that I have is actually a very interesting dress. So when I first saw it on the website, it seemed like a regular collared t-shirt dress, but then I noticed that it also has a lace detailing and it is flared as well, so it makes it like a mixture of preppy because of the collar and also girly and feminine because of the lace detailing and the flared fit. The MRP for this dress was 1399 and I got it around 690 rupees. It's a very nice casual dress and the material is cotton. The next dress that I have is from a brand called Tavi. What I love about this dress is that it's hand woven, that means it's handcrafted, and it feels like a very easy breezy wear. I would wear this when I'm in like a very relaxed state of mind. Definitely recommend this one, especially because of the bright colors of this. It's a nice pink. I don't know if it's like fuchsia pink, but it's a really nice bright color, perfect for summers. The MRP for this was 1699, but I got it only for 850 rupees. Moving on, the next dress is from a brand called Berry Lush. Now, I actually recently did an entire haul dedicated to Berry Lush clothes. So if you haven't watched that, I'm going to mention the link down below. So do go check that out. In fact, I bought a exact same dress. It's a maxi dress with a slit in a different color in that haul. For that haul, it was blush pink. That was also really pretty, and I love this color as well. Obviously, it is slightly deep on the cleavage and also has a high slit, but it can be adjusted, stitched or pinned up according to where you are comfortable with it. For the price that this dress comes in, because of so much material, the flowy material it has, I think it's a great buy. It retails for 2000 rupees, but I got it only for 999. The fabric is polyester, but it is a very comfortable and flowy dress. Now, before I move on to the next set of dresses, let me tell you guys about Letty Shops that I mentioned earlier in the video. It's basically a cashback app, so you get cashbacks every time you shop through this app on any retailer, be it Myntra, Ajio, Flipkart, Mama Earth, Zivame, any retailer. All you have to do, the only trick here is that you have to shop on those retailers, on those websites through the Letty Shops app. I've mentioned a link down below, so click on it and register on the app. You just have to make an email and a password. It's that simple, and choose your country as India. Once you've registered, click on Myntra or any other retailer and shop as you would normally do. Basically, Letty Shops will take you to that website. So shop as you normally would do. You can even add other discount codes. You just have to ensure that you don't cancel or return the order so that you can get the cash back. Now let's move on to the next set of dresses now. The next dress that I have is this one from Sassafras again. It is made of viscose, so it's not polyester, it's not cotton, but somewhere in the middle, and it feels very soft. It's floral print, so it's perfect for summers, and I think this is one of my favorites from the entire lot because it's such an easy wear. You can just throw it on and it's super comfortable. The MRP for this was 1599, but I got it only for 700 rupees. So I think this is definitely recommended for someone who likes to wear really flowy and like very florally kind of clothes. I found this really comfortable and I actually recommend this one. Now last but not the least is this little black dress that I ordered. I feel like every time I shop for dresses, I always have to end up buying a black dress. This one is from a brand called Veni Vidi Vici. Even in my last Under 1000 Dresses haul, I got an LBD. It was an off-shoulder black dress and I really loved that one. This one I'm not that big a fan of because of the material. I didn't expect this material actually. But for 800 rupees, I think it's okay, although maybe you can skip on this one. It's an off shoulder, so you will have to wear a strapless bra with it. In fact, even with the earlier dress that I showed you guys, even though it has thin straps, I recommend wearing a strapless bra. Do watch my lingerie videos if you guys want to get an idea of what to wear under what. I'm going to mention the links down below. So the MRP for this was actually 1890, and after discount it was 800 rupees. But I think if you're looking for something under budget, I think it's okay. It's not very bad, but personally not a big fan of this dress. So that was my haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite dress and which one you plan to pick from these. And if you're a smart shopper and love to save money just like me, don't forget to sign up on Letty Shops. The link is mentioned down below. If you sign up through the link that I have mentioned, you will get a 7-day free premium account which gives you 30% increased cashback rate. So I don't think you should miss out on that. The cashback usually comes instantly into your account and shows up on your app, or it may take even up to 24 hours. All the product links are also mentioned in the description box. It'll make it easier for you to pick up something out for yourself. If you like my content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I make videos about fashion, styling and lifestyle. You can also let me know in the comments down below what do you want to watch next on my channel. That's it for now, and I'll see you guys soon.
Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever.